Today at the salon, our new air conditioner was installed and working, and it was great. The air was nice and cool. Everybody was happy. We suffered for probably the last month with the air on its way out, and the last week was just dreadful. So I am so thankful that the new air conditioner has been installed, and what a great sense of peace that gives you when you're working and you're not sweltering and you're just comfortable. It was great. Look forward to many years of great working conditions. Oh, it's late. I'm tired, but you're going to see this in the morning. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.